In this short video, we're going to talk about topics and how those can be used to organize the classwork that you would have in your classroom during the year. So you'll notice in my test class, everything is in one big place. I have one topic here under biology, but otherwise it's just a whole lot of stuff just put everywhere. The idea behind topics is, notice, and this is in our PD class, everything is broken up in a nice, organized way where I have classwork, I have week 1 here, I have week 2 information here, week 3 through 8 have not been published yet, but there's information that we will put in here under each week. Now what that means is, if you come into this, let's say in week 6 and you're a couple weeks behind, you can click on week 4 or week 1 or 2 on the left and immediately see that information and that information only. So if I'm a student, I might break up my topics by unit 1 or the insect unit, or maybe even week 1 with a date on it. So if a parent logs in with a student, they can look back and see the dates on these particular topics. So don't see topics as necessarily topics specifically, but see it as a way to categorically organize your information so the students have an easier way finding it. So for example, you might say a student comes to you and says, I was sick last week and I need to see what the work that was due. Then you could tell them, hey, go click on week 2, which was X date to X date, click on it, and that's all the work that's due in that particular week. Or go all the way back to the beginning under week 1 and find this. And now what I've been doing is I'm putting materials and assignments under each week. So that way, if there's reference material here that applies to the week that I'm in, all of the information I need is contained in one place. So your reference material might be links to videos they need or links to PDFs that they might access for some kind of information. Adding that to the topic where the assignments are make it easier for me to click on topics on the left and be in the space that has all the information that I need. That will help the students navigate, it will help parents navigate. So the idea would be for your team to figure out what categories make sense for you, so that way you're able to help it be organized for your students.